Let's talk about the biggest business advantage in 2026. It's not more hustle. It's not more content. It's not even more tools. It's leverage. And right now, the smartest business owners are using ChatGPT not as a chatbot, but as a full-time business assistant that works 24/7. If you're a creator, coach, freelancer, or indie entrepreneur, this video is going to change how you work. Because today, I'm breaking down 5 practical ways to use ChatGPT for your business in 2026. The real, everyday use cases that save time, increase sales, and help you move faster without burning out. Let's go. Way #1. Turn ideas into content that actually converts. Most businesses don't struggle with creativity. They struggle with consistency. You sit down to post, and suddenly your brain is empty. ChatGPT fixes this by helping you generate content in minutes, not hours. You can use it to create social media captions, video scripts, blog outlines, emails, product descriptions, and even carousel posts. But here's the key. Don't ask ChatGPT to write a post about my business. Instead, give it a goal. Tell it, I want a short post that attracts my ideal customer, highlights a pain point, and ends with a call to action. When you prompt ChatGPT with purpose, it stops sounding generic and starts sounding like strategy. Way #2. Write faster, better sales copy without feeling salesy. If your business depends on selling, you need messaging that persuades. But a lot of creators hate writing sales copy because it feels pushy, awkward, or forced. ChatGPT can help you write landing page copy, offer descriptions, ads, scripts, and even follow-up messages in a way that sounds natural. The secret is telling ChatGPT your audience's pain, desire, and objections. Because good sales copy isn't about sounding smart, it's about removing doubt. When your messaging becomes clear, selling becomes easier. Way #3. Build a smart customer support system. In 2026, customer experience matters more than ever. People don't just buy products. They buy confidence. And if customers feel confused, ignored, or unsupported, they leave. ChatGPT can help you create FAQs, help center answers, response templates, onboarding guides, and even refund policy explanations. That means fewer repetitive questions, faster replies, and happier customers. And the best part? You stay consistent. Because your brand voice doesn't change depending on your mood. Way #4. Create offers, packages, and pricing that make sense. This is one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT in business. Most people don't have a product problem. They have an offer problem. Their offer is unclear. Their package is messy. Their pricing confuses people. ChatGPT can help you structure a service package, a coaching program, a product bundle, or a digital offer that's easy to understand and easy to buy. You can literally ask, help me create 3 pricing tiers for my offer with clear deliverables and strong value. When your offer becomes simple and structured, conversions go up. Way #5. Use ChatGPT as your strategy partner. Here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs don't need more motivation. They need clarity. They need someone to help them think through decisions like what content to create, what product to launch, what niche to focus on, or what funnel to build next. ChatGPT becomes powerful when you use it like a consultant. Ask it to analyze your marketing, give you a clearer positioning statement, improve your business funnel, create a step-by-step plan, identify weak points in your offer. This is where ChatGPT saves you years of trial and error. Now here's the most important reminder. ChatGPT is not magic. It's not here to replace your thinking. It's here to speed up your execution. The entrepreneurs who win in 2026 won't be the ones using the most tools. They'll be the ones using tools with the most intention. So if you want to start using ChatGPT properly in your business, here's your simple action plan. Use it to create content faster. Use it to write better sales copy. Use it to improve your customer experience. Use it to structure stronger offers. And use it to make smarter decisions. That's how ChatGPT becomes a real advantage. If you want, comment GPT and I'll share a list of high-converting business prompts you can copy and use immediately. Like the video, subscribe, and stay connected, because in 2026, speed matters, but clarity matters even more. And ChatGPT helps you build both.